Control R. So what we are doing today means, again, whatever I am saying is not recommendation. I am teaching you guys, right? So I'm trying to teach you guys to uh, do it yourself. Means you don't have to. And again, second thing, once I was discussing with the friends, and they were saying, means your way is different than mine. So I'm not saying I'm what I'm saying is the only way we can trade. This is what I do, and I'm trying to give you away, means from here. But what I want, Kebhai, you can get this and make it your own somehow differently. You can do, if you are buying like a lower somewhere, once it's down and you are doing something. I'm trying to just explain the concept. I'm not telling you do only this way. I'm just showing you what my experience is. I'm going to give you whatever I learned last 10, 15 years. I'm going to give you that. But I love to see if people are sharing their own experience, and whatever they are buying, we'll discuss that, and that will be good to learn, right? So that will be nice to have that learning process. So please share your thoughts, and if you want, you can set up something that what you are doing, we can go over that too. Means I don't have to discuss. You can do it, showing what you guys are doing and how you guys are doing. I just want you to make sure that everyone gets it there, that they start making money, they start seeing the portfolio making money. And we have like target starting with 20% per year, and then we want to reach at 50% for target. So that is what my target, that I can teach people, whoever is willing to learn, that they can reach somewhere that they can make some profit on it. I'm not saying this is the only way. Like Shiva is doing on Fibonacci, I love it. Fibonacci works too. So that should work. It means we don't have to worry about how people are making money. We just have to make sure that people makes money. That's what we want. And that is what we want to learn, right? Means our expectation when we are investing is 10%. You put it in money, mutual fund or something, 10 to 15% per year, not more than that. So we are starting with the 20%, and our goal is to reach the 50%, and that will be good for if you can do it year to year on entire
और एक
portfolio. So let's start with the
और एक
immediate. Yeah, Dipti, go ahead.
एक बात और भी होती है ना भैया, तरीके तो बहुत सारे हैं, पर एक होता है इजी, मतलब आप 24 घंटे यू आर नॉट लुकिंग एंड दिमाग खराब नहीं हो रहा है आपका, हार्ट अटैक नहीं आ रहा है, इतने सारे तरीके होते हैं। कुछ कुछ ग्रुप्स के अंदर तो मुझे लगता है किसी दिन ना किसी का हार्ट अटैक जरूर आएगा।
Yes. So that's
दे
why
दे
I was
रियली
discussing, right? That you don't have to focus on the everyday trading. What I want, that you, once you invest, you should invest in 2023 options. You have to invest, and then you don't have to worry every day if market is going up or down. You don't have to worry about it. You just have to think about long term, look at the weekly chart and buy that stuff. Same thing, you don't have to then, once we go to the weekly chart, we don't worry about the uh, moving average, 50 moving average and 20 moving average. We just worry about how we are going to go back to one, how to get into the, again, starting the candle going up, right? So that is what I'm trying to make sure that you get that. Okay, so let's try. Last week, means last time when we meet, we discussed that we should do this call, right? Means naked call. At least you guys buy naked call, and last 2 weeks it was a bad week, but you still have to do the same thing and see how much loss and profit you are seeing, which is like uh, huge option. When you are doing naked options, it's a huge, right? So we want to make sure you have that experience in the paper trading, that okay, option goes down so fast and comes back so fast, there is no way you can calculate that. Okay, so that experience needs to be there. You have to have that experience. And when we do in the paper trading, that okay, I can execute the trade, I can book my loss also, and I can start doing again same trade again once I see the trigger point. When I am doing this shorter term trade, now I have longer term trade. So that is a different way to do. So let's go back to that again. Spread. Last time we did the naked trading. That naked calls. So naked call means once you buy out of 45 days, you buy your call and then give the 45 days or more. So we are doing a monthly. So it will be minimum 2 months and out. So you select your 2 month and out call and just buy it. Invest 2 calls. Invest it. Now we are going to do the spread. What is the meaning of spread? So what we are going to do, spread means you are buying and selling in the same month. So you are going out of 2 months, at least second month, and you are buying something and selling something in the same month and different strike price. What is the strike price? Stock, this price which is you are trying to buy and sell. That is the strike price, right? And what is the buy and means ask and bid, where you are buying and selling your options. So what we are trying to do is a spread. So what I am doing, if you are using the same software, you can just click it here. We are going, we means less SPY is Apple. Let's do Google, right? So Google, we go here. So I want to do the Google spread. How I'm going to do it? So I want to see the first thing, any stock. It should be more than 13,000, 10,000. Once you see that, okay, volume is there, liquidity is there, you go and try to get the strike, which is here. Too much strikes are available. I don't know why. Maybe, I don't know why it's too much. DKNG. So again, let's go me. So we try to get into 70 in the money. When we are buying something, try to buy on 70. If you have means you can invest more money and wait and make sure means you want to get into more reliable, like making sure that we are not going to lose 90% trading. So this is your percentage, right? Means I am just means this is what it says. So if you are here, we are saying 70%. I am going to be out of this will finish in the out up above the here, and if you go further in, that means it's 98%. This is going to be out of the money. Means here, if you are buying 93%, your call will close here somewhere or go above. That is the meaning of delta here. So we are saying 70% I am buying here, and you press control key on the keyboard and bid side. Go to the bid side and select the 41. Okay. So what we are doing, we are buying at 65, make call, and selling the call at 80. So how much we are trying to get it here is 80 and 65. So 70, 80, 60, right? 20 and $25. We are paying how much? It's $6.63. This is what we are paying. So we are trying to get like if we hold entire time, we are not going to hold it. We are maximum targeting profit is 50%, get out. Then we are seeing that left side chart, get out, right? If this chart is saying left side is somebody is selling here, you should get out first one, first profit. You will book it. But right now it's almost all time high. Our trigger is supposed to be here or here. It came here. We should be little bit at least one call sell out, one close it, and second one will hold it until we start looking that, okay, this is not going anywhere or losing, and or we have 30 days remaining, means less than 30 days remaining in our call, and that's not going anywhere. So not going up. That means we don't want to hold because we are losing money on a time basis. If time is going, means premium is going to lose, right? We are going to lose the premium. We don't want to lose the time. If something comes back, it's going up, will not have the time. So what we are trying to do is having some 30 minutes for us. So if we buy here, what we are going to do, we are going to try to get it here. If let's see 60, right? So this was the like 55. That time I don't know, means what was the delta here. that. So right now, if we are just thinking that we are buying here, what we are going to do, this is our trade. If we are buying 65, so think about it. 65, we are going here 65, right? So we are getting support here. This one last time it was came down from here. Now it should be good support here. So we are getting good place, and it's not going right now anywhere, but it will break. Once it break, it will go up. If it is coming back also, we have both the side. It will not give you so much losses. Now this is we are doing is for short term. So we have to make our money within a 2 month, 3 months. We have to get out of it, right? This is short term we are doing. We are trying to learn that how to do the spread. We are not talking yet for long term or how to make means how to do it like very comfortably and not making too much risk but slow money. We are not talking that. We are talking this is fast money. Okay, but still risk is less because we are having both the side. We have enough time. If stock comes here, that it will break above and come back. But still, if you start closing below 50, we should book our loss and get out of it. We should not try much here. That is what experience is saying. If you have 2 month, 3 month trading only, if it is start closing below 50, please don't hold it. It's not going to worth it. Your time means that will lose more money on going down. Okay. So time will kill your premium. So get out of it. Means we don't have to hold it. But if it is just coming here and going up, it will go fine and it will recover fine. So we don't have to worry because we have time and we have both the sides. So sell out of the money premium always goes faster than in the money. In the money will take some time to get out of the premiums because we have intersect value. That is called intersect value. Okay. So this is called spread. So in the same month, we are buying call and selling call. That is called spread. So here it's you can select the spread triangle spread vertical here. Look this one. So if you select the vertical, it will automatically, I think if I am not having this and I select here vertical, let's see what it do. This is by default is selecting only 5. We want more. So what we are going to do, we can do this. We want, and then go here. You can change it to higher. You can change here. Okay. So vertical, you want to spread more. Spread, we are going to give at least $10 minimum if it is under $100 stock. $10 minimum, more is good. Means I am side of more. If you go in the money, more in the money, it will give you more out of the like money. Means you will have. So go single. I always go to single because I see the delta. I see buy 70 and try to sell on 40. That is what you have to do. And then you have to see how much you are paying, how much you are going to make, and then how much time you have. Once you reach your 50% goal, you should be booking your profit and get out of it. Okay. Then we are
40
going
पे
to buy
सर,
two.
30 पे
Go ahead.
ये आपने 30 बताया था ना या 40 बताया था पहले? 30 पे
Uh,
सेल
I, I see 30, 40, 30 will be too far. Means it will, I am seeing that getting less premium, 40 is fine. Means but there is nothing rule is here means your this is what's going to happen. I what I am trying to say here, if you go 30, you see if I go 30, I'm also changing that, right? So I want to see 40 here and 33 here, how much I am paying here, and then chart what chart is saying here is goes up. If I have like my portfolio is allowing me that okay I can invest this much and I am okay with that risk, $1,588 I am investing because I am going to buy always two and sell two. Again, buy and sell in the same transaction. Don't do two transactions because I don't want to do sell first and buy second. try to buy and sell in the same transaction. You are costing this much, your profit is here, right? But we are not going to wait for this profit. We are going to book your 50%, $700 profit will come and we'll get out of it. Or days will be less than 30, and then also if you have 10%, just book it and let it get out of it. Okay. So this means this is, I am just giving you guidelines. So that start with 70. If you like I can go to the 80. I like here support is on 80. I don't care. It's a good thing if you go in the money and stock is going higher, right? Means you give some time, it will be 20-30% profits faster, and then you will get out of it. So you don't, means it's not a hard and fast rule here. This is basic, means what I'm trying to say is give this much vertical spread here, spreading here, and then you make a profit of it, right? Like Harsha is saying, if you want to say analyze this trade, it will show you the analyze, means once you start going above here, this particular location here, no profit, no loss. But once you are in this one, you are seeing your profit. And with the date here, this date, you can see that which date expected this. This is forecasting when you are having this much profit, right? That is what it's all about. In the end, you will have maximum profit is this much. So you can get out of it when you will have the 50% profit and you can get out of it. So we just need to make 50% profit. We don't want to make more than that. And we need a time to hold it, right? So within this curve, get a standard deviation, if you get out, it will be good profit, means it will be fine.
तो अंदाजा भी है कितना गैप होना चाहिए, मतलब उसमें दोनों के इसमें जैसे 65 और 85, मतलब कुछ अंतर होता है कि $10, $15, $20 का अंतर होना चाहिए इसमें?
हाँ, मिनिमम $10 का रखो. If it is a big stock, right? Means under $150 stock, have to have $10 stock, means difference. But once we'll go on 2023, we'll go above $50 to $100 difference. Okay. So right now we are trying to, that's why, means I am just suggesting 70 and 30 or 70 and 40, which is giving you enough spread. So stock will jump around maximum this much. So 40% chance is stock will close here or more above, right? So 40% chance हमको मिल रहा है कि stock will come here, and 70% chance ये है कि stock will close above this one, and 40% chance is stock will close above this one. But if fails and come down, still we have time to, means get back to here. So this is, we are trying to do minimize our risk. That's what it's all about, spread in the same month. But this will give you slow money, okay? This will give you, like, you have to spend time. If stock also next day goes above here, you will not make like 20% and more, because this one is also having a higher premium. This will go up higher, but this will also go higher. And because of that, you have like 20-25% profit. If stocks open here like 90, 95, 90 also, and still you are not going to make a lot of money, because of we have both the side. Okay. That's why if you have naked stocks, naked option, if you, that stock is open like 5 to 10% and next day 4-5%, your money may be already double. But if you have spread, you will not make that much money. But what we are trying to do it, if stock goes down, we don't want to lose too much. And this will make sure that we are not losing too much also because of selling other side. So we'll make slow money in this case, but that will help us to make less, lose less, and our yearly goal starting with 20% it can be achieved here. So that is what spread, vertical spread, right? Now let's see diagonal. What is the diagonal mean? So I want to buy again. I will buy something further in a month. So I will give my option to time like a 3 months. and I will sell something in 2 months. Now option, which option lose highest higher value faster? So whichever option is near to the expiry is lose higher value. So we are selling option near to expiry and buying option further in the time period. So what we are getting is more time for our call, which buy side, and we are selling near 2 month or 1 month option, which is going to expire in a month, and that is going to be like faster expiring or faster losing money. So we are making more money on that. If so goes above that value, that sell side and above, that we make faster money. You will see 30-40% very fast. And if stock goes down, you still have 1 more month with a naked option to get that recovered back, and you sold that option, which is going to be without like having any no value, so you don't have to do anything about that near term. So sell option, once you that expiry is done, you can sell it again in the means whatever you have 1 month, or you can roll again the same call in the next month and sell again. So that is, let me show you how to do the diagonal. So what is the meaning of diagonal? What we are doing here, like we have 2 months, August and May. Mostly June should be there, but it's not there because they still not have open yet. So we go like August, it's fine. We have more like 2-3 months more, right? We buy something here that okay, support 67 is nice here, and I will sell again 80, which make $5. Now, how much spread we have is $20. I am paying $13. I still have 2 months to recover. So something goes wrong in the market. Stock goes back to the 60, 55. This option which you sold it out, you don't have to do anything. This will expire without any value because it's sold. So you have to buy it back once it's expired, but you don't have to do anything. And you still have 2 more months to this option to recover. Now, normally, if you buy these options, you have to pay $19 instead of how much you are paying right now. It's you are paying $13, $13.48, and you still have $20 spread. So $20 maximum profit is $20. So $20 is not maximum profit now because you will have 2 more months. So if stock goes above here, like this stock is on 100 now. So this will what happen? This premium will be because of stock is here. This premium will be around $20 that time because stock is here. Like here, if stock is if 40 when we buy $45, but if now stock is here on $70, $40 become $35 premium. So if stock is on $100, this premium will be like 5, 10, 20, 25 extra intrinsic value and then premium, right? So stock value that much inside and then means extra premium on it. So think about it. What you are going to do, you if you have to buy it, you have to buy it that into that particular day, maybe paying 30, $40, but this will become much more, is maybe 50 or $55 or $60. And here, same thing again, 80, we sold it 80. This 9 must be becoming like $40, 40, $50. So you buy this one, sell this one, you still make $2 profit, and you hold for 2 more months, and you how much you are going to make again extra dollar, $20 more. So that way, once we reach there, I will teach you how to do it, that you can do it again. How can you do the calendar? It's called calendar. But once we will reach there, we'll discuss that, okay, how to sell that whatever we sold it, we have to buy it and we have to sell it. Now you are buying in the current month while like expiring in this week, and you are selling in next 2 months. Now selling premium will be higher because stock is already higher. So you will get a premium, higher premium, because you are selling in next 2 months and buying is in this month. And that will allow because you have in the money option already. So they will allow you to sell here and buy here. So this will be like less premium. You will sell again with higher premium and you will have that money. And if stock is expiring here somewhere, you will make this $20 plus that premium too. But for now, let's do it like close that particular, once this expire, just close it. So I created two links and both the links is same. So if you click it again, it should work. Okay. Next time, once our WhatsApp expire, sorry, Zoom expire, WhatsApp link will work again. So this is called diagonal. So what we are doing, we are buying in the like one extra time. We are having extra time than selling. So selling near month, buying in further month. We are getting more time, but we have to pay extra. So if we are paying right now, if we are doing only vertical 60, $15 only, but I am paying $19 and I am only getting $5 back, which supposed to get like if I $80 here, $80 will pay me $9.55. So we are paying extra, but this will be more benefit. Means you 20% will be very faster in this one. If stock goes next day higher, you will see the 20-25% benefit profit in your portfolio, because this will be having already in the money. Will delta goes like any stock moves, this 74 cent already moving on your stocks and 40 cent here. So you see 30-35% means dollar up on your stock. Okay. So this is what diagonal. So what is diagonal and what is vertical? Is that make sense now?
Yes.
So if you do diagonal, May, so it will automatically select August and here spread go diagonal, right? So if you do diagonal here, you see August ka and 21st, they are selecting two different month, and how much you are paying, they are showing you here. Once you select this, it will be automatically calculated that you are buying August and paying in uh, means May. Okay. Now they are only giving you $5 difference. I don't want $5 difference. We want more. Means buying needs to be. This is a reverse में हमने वो किया उसने debit here, but why reverse? This showing the debit but reverse. I don't know why. It should not be. I don't want that way. So let's sell. That's also not. We need to buy only. So always do the debit. Always do the debit. I don't want to you guys to do any means credit. Okay, you should be doing debit only. And 70. So once I like this way because I see the delta. I see the delta 70, 80. So we are just referencing delta. I am again saying this is not a rule. We are referencing delta 30 and 40. I like it. And buying 70 and 80 means I again go 90. Sometime if I see the volume and I like it, I can go in the money, more in the money, because I like the time and have that benefit of like having in the money value, which is I see on the chart that okay, the here I see more value than if I buy here. So I can buy here. If stocks comes here and spend some time and then go up, I'm happy with that. I don't care, means it's fine. If I buy here and I see, oh, okay, here is the more value, so I will go here and buy it here and sell it above, right? So there is, we have, what I'm saying is we are having a reference 70-30, 70-40, but you can go in the money on depending on your portfolio, how much you want to invest in one particular stock, and that will be the means case when you are doing your spread or diagonal. But that is the two system we are learning today, that we are going to do diagonal, which is further out of the money, buy call further out of the money, sell call near to the expiry month. So expiry month will go faster, premium evaporate, premium go faster on expiry month, near to the expiry month. So we are selling it, it will, premium will go faster. When further out where you are buying in the money, call have more time, which will give you, if something goes bad with the stock, it will still give you the time to recover. And if stock goes above, way higher, you will get a faster money. And you still have an option to sell here, means buy near the money whichever you sold it, and sell again, do the vertical again. You have 2 more months. So you can do the vertical instead of diagonal, now become vertical, and you already make money because you paid. Right now I am paying like, if I do this one 19 and 5, I am paying $13. But once this is in the money, means stocks are closing here, and if I sell here and buy here, it will give me credit. Next time I will do that vertical, it will give me the credit because I already have the call. So credit will reduce my cost. So that might be $3 or $4 less. I will spend $10 to get $20 here. Once I will come back here, once the stock is here somewhere and I try to buy this one and sell here, it will give me the credit because of further month I am selling and buying near month. So it will be less price and this will be more price. So that credit will be reduce my cost. Whichever I am buying, whatever I am buying right now, 13, it will reduce to 10 or maybe $8, right? So that will be next. Right now, just think about this is all diagonal, buying further out of the money, further month. We are buying around, trying to get into 70, and we are having selling something near to the money, around 30 or 40 delta. So that is what. Only thing we have to make sure that our volume has to be 10,000 and more. Call total volume has to be more than 10,000. This will be the great. When you are selling anything, again closing your trade, it will be fast. Within a second, it will close because of this much volume. If you do anything else, which is a less volume, it will stuck. Means it will stuck and stink on your, means when you are trying to sell it, it will not go. You have to reduce the price, $5, $10 extra you have to give them, and that will be not good. Okay. So this is further out of the money. That is how it's going to work. Okay. So we learned two things today. We learned one is a spread, one is a diagonal. Minimum what you need is 45 days and more. We need is volume. Volume needs to be more than 10,000. Stock has to be, this is short term what we are talking. That's why stock has to be above 50 days moving average. If it is down, we don't want to touch. We did miss. I am doing mistake. I am still doing mistake. I am still doing getting like, okay, no, I am very confident I am doing it. And I got last week very badly. So I am still doing it, and I want you to be, please, discipline. This is hard. Getting discipline is hard. So doing on the paper trading and it will help you guys. Okay. So please do it. Now going back to the weekly chart, where you go weekly chart and do something on the weekly chart. So I don't want to do it. Like I just don't want to spend more time. I am not, I want to make money, but I am not, I am interested in some other stuff. I am not interested in stock. So how can I make money and I am still not monitoring every day? That is the question, right? So what we can do here, how can we do that? So that is a very easy. Only thing, people wants to make a lot of money and they are not able to make, and they think I am doing something wrong. But if you give enough time, stock market give you enough money, and that is what I am going to show you, right? So as I discussed with you guys, number of guys, means how we are supposed to deal with the long-term portfolio. What we are doing is stock which is going up, right? Means these stocks, you don't have to think about it. This stock is going up. Don't worry about it. Now again, if it is coming under this Apple, my best stock, I love it. Still above 50 stock, it's still going up. In 2023, I am sure, means I am 100% sure, but I am sure you guys think that this will be above 150, 100% of 150, right? It should not be under 100. So what will make me money? How can I make money when I am this much sure and I have something in my account and I don't want to monitor every day, what should I do? So when I see this kind of thing is going on, what can I do to get benefit of it? So I see this is okay. There is a once here and once here when stock was there, it came back nicely. And maximum stock was here.